That's what pulls big tugboat or big barges. They have big engines that go really deep underwater. Can you not hit me? I'm trying to videotape, buddy. That's a cool boat, tugboat. Very cool boat. Why would you be seeing things? The second tugboat. Very cool. It's supposed to be 4K. See, it's guiding it in.
Hey, it's going out.
I know, because it's wet. See, they're guiding it in because it's so narrow. That's all got oil or gas or something in it. Thing.
The stuff is still there. Come.
Okay, just getting another tugboat photo.
You get the crab out of the way.
Okay.